Hello there and welcome. Welcome. Congratulations on purchasing your Holy Grail trading system. You have officially bought the cheat code to beat the markets, and I'm so very excited for you. I want you to get a notebook and I want you to get a pencil, okay? And I want you to take really good notes, okay? This system is so simple and not hard to use at all, but nothing is going to compare to the practice of your demo accounts, guys. I want every single one of you in demo practicing with this system until you get 25 to 30 winning trades, okay? I feel when you get 25 to 30 winning trades with the system, then it's okay to move to live. That way, you know that you've got the system down pat, you know what all confirmations to look for, and you can actually jump into live with confidence, because with this system, guys, you have every single thing that you need to be a success in Forex training, okay? Give me just a second. Okay, guys. For regular currency pairs and exotics, you're going to right click on your chart, okay? You're going to go to templates and you are going to select the template called money bags. And your screen is going to look like this. Now you can use this on any time frame, any currency pair, at any time, okay? Typically, the market's closed right now. Typically, you're going to get an alert. It does kind of look like this on your screen. It's going to tell you what currency pair to go and look at, okay? So when that happens, you're going to go, you're going to pull up this currency pair. And then we look for confirmations, okay? Confirmation number 1 that you want to look at is going to be here in your right corner, okay? And it's going to tell you whether you're buying or you are selling, okay? What I like to do is I like to go to the 1-hour chart and then down to the 30-minute chart and then down to the 15-minute chart, just to make sure everything is in order with each other, okay? So since the market's closed, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to back test, okay? The first thing, confirmation, is that you're going to have this indicator sell on 3 charts, okay? Like I said, I like the hour, I like the 13, and I like the 15, okay? The second confirmation is going to be, these big chevron looking arrows, these are the Holy Grail, okay? This is what's going to put the buyer's sell right here, okay? If you notice, you should have on the 1-hour auto Fibonacci's right here, okay? The second confirmation, okay, that you are going to look for is you've got this red arrow right here pointing down, okay? We'll just say right here. You've got this red arrow. These little ones are confirmation that it is still moving down, okay? When you get the second red arrow, that's your second confirmation. First is that's your third confirmation. The first is the buyer sell on 3 time frames, okay? The second is going to be like, this is a sale. You're gonna look for red arrows, okay? And definitely by the time you get the second red arrow, it is definitely in a full-blown sale. The third confirmation that you are going to get, guys, is, see this down here? This is called your solar wind, okay? When it is green, it is buying. When it is red, it is selling, okay? So we're looking for a sale back here, okay? Your third confirmation is going to be when this solar wind flips from green to red. When you've seen this solar wind flip from green to red, it was your final confirmation to pull the trigger, okay? To pull the trigger and end up in your sale, okay? Let me see if I can find. Okay, so if you look back here, we got a Holy Grail entry for a buy, okay? And you're looking, well, you've got, you know, the arrow for buying, okay? You've got this, so back testing, this would be saying buy, okay? But look, guys, your solar wind is still in a sale, so you're going to wait and hold, okay? You've got these chevrons confirming that, yeah, it's still buying. And then look right here, guys, you've got a second arrow to take this buy. Solar wind says it's in a buy. At that point in time, this was saying buy because of your Holy Grail right here. Confirmation to pull the trigger. And guys, when you pull the trigger, that is your ninja entry point, okay? And you can ride it all the way up until you see something like this, okay? You're going to see like a yellow X come up. When you see that yellow X come up, you know to secure your bag and get out of the trade. Guys, this is so simple. Don't try to overcomplicate it. Just watch for your alerts, what the Holy Grail says up here, if it's buy or if it's sell. Make sure that it's confirmed on 3 time frames that it's selling or that it's buying. Wait for these arrows to concur and match up with your solar winds, okay? When it matches with that, pull the trigger and ride it till you get the yellow X. You do also have Take Profit 1 and 2 up here that you can use. A lot of Forex, guys, is patience, okay? You can have to sit and watch these charts for 30 minutes to an hour before you get all of your confirmations to enter your sale, okay, or your buy, whatever trade you're taking. A lot of it is patience and watching these charts. This is not a quick thing, so don't think that you're just going to pull up any chart at any time and be able to enter in something, because you've got to wait. You've got to wait for all of your confirmations, okay? So if you want to trade indices, if you want to trade the metals, if you want to trade like oil, okay, you're going to right click on your chart, go to templates, and you are going to select FX ATM. Okay. Your chart's going to look like this, okay? You have got the auto Fibonacci over here, okay? You also have these pivotal levels of support and resistance, okay? And it's the same thing. You want to make sure that you're matching up on with the indices. I like to trade on like the 15-minute. Or the 5-minute. Or the 1-minute, okay? This is really best on the 5-minute for your entries. So same thing, guys. You're going to get a notification. It's going to tell you over here where it's buying or selling, okay? And you'll want it to match on 3 time frames, okay? So over here, it would be saying buy, okay? We're just back testing because the market's closed. It would be saying buy right here, okay? You've got the arrow going up. You have got these chevrons that are confirming that it's buying. Okay. You get the second arrow right here. You look down, your solar wind is flipped. Boom. You can enter this trade, guys. Enter this trade. And you can ride it all the way up until right here. Where this arrow is now red, before it changed, it would have put the yellow X up here for you. It would have put the yellow X up here for you to show you that it was reversing. So you could take your money and get out. And, you know, in indices, this is a pretty big move. And on the 5-minute chart, not a lot of time. It's 316 pips, guys, just in that one move. I'm trying to look. Okay, here's another one. It would have went off for a sale, and you would have looked, okay, you got your red arrow and your confirmations. When you seen this solar wind flip, you know it's starting to sell. When you get this second arrow, you know to take the sale. You can jump in and ride it all the way to this blue arrow pointing up or a yellow X. That's when you know to get out of the trade. And it will tell you when it's reversing. You just have to watch. But in this short move right here, if you would have got in on this one and rode it all the way down to here, that's 278 pips, guys, on indices. So as long as you wait for the confirmations, okay, you've got your Holy Grail indicator up here, you know, 2 or 3 time frames confirming it's a sell or it's a buy. You wait for these arrows, definitely by the second arrow, and that your solar wind confirms, you should be able to enter your trade with confidence and ride it until you get notification to exit. Guys, this is not complicated. This is so simple. It's just going to take practice, getting in your charts, watching these currency pairs, and practicing. Okay, so anyway, I'm so glad that you made it here for this training. I'm so glad that you have our software. Happy pipping, guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to either me or Ontarian. Y'all have a good day.